Hello, beautiful people. If you often have trouble sleeping and you're not yet an avid user of essential oils, it might be time to change your tune. According to sleep and neuroscience specialist Professor Badre, essential oils may even help you get some extra snooze time in the morning. It can be very beneficial for subjects with transient or chronic mild, or even moderate, sleep disturbance, mainly difficulty falling asleep but also for early awakenings. Not only do essential oils with a sedative effect promote sleep, but they can also diminish anxiety, lower blood pressure, and relieve stress that builds up throughout the day. Inhale from a diffuser or cotton ball, or apply them in a variety of ways, mixed in a cream, or shaken up with a base oil and spritzed on. But before let's go further, I have to ask you, looking for the perfect weight loss smoothie recipe? We've gathered the top 25 best smoothie recipes for fast weight loss. It's a free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free these yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Now here are the very best essential oils you should invest in if you're looking to improve your sleep. Jasmine. A sweetly floral scent, jasmine appears to have serious sleep-promoting capabilities. Research shows jasmine improves sleep quality and cuts down on restless sleeping, as well as increasing daytime alertness. A 2002 study showed that jasmine delivered all of these sleep benefits, as well as lowering anxiety, even more effectively than lavender. Sandalwood. With a rich, woody, earthy scent, sandalwood has an ancient history of use for relaxation and anxiety relief. Scientific research indicates sandalwood can be effective in easing anxiety symptoms. Research has also shown sandalwood can have sedative effects, reducing wakefulness and increasing amounts of non-REM sleep. It's important to note, sandalwood has also been shown to increase wakefulness and alertness, even when it is also triggering physical relaxation. Lavender. This is the most popular essential oil for sleep and relaxation among my patients, and my first, general go-to recommendation for people looking to try aromatherapy for sleep. Lavender is a soothing scent that's long been associated with relaxation and sleep, and used as a natural remedy for anxiety. Lavender is probably the most rigorously studied essential oil. A robust body of research shows lavender has anxiety-reducing, or anxiolytic, effects, as well as beneficial effects on depression. Lavender also has sedative effects, meaning it can work directly to help you fall asleep. A number of studies point to lavender's effectiveness for sleep, improving sleep quality, increasing sleep amounts, and elevating daytime alertness, including in people with insomnia. Neroli. Neroli is an often overlooked essential oil for sleep, but we're looking to change that. The oil is extracted from the blossom of a bitter orange tree, and its spicy, citric scent makes it a popular ingredient in perfumes. One study noted neroli's ability to produce a calming effect, particularly when combined with lavender oil and chamomile. It's also effective on its own in reducing stress and blood pressure levels, particularly in women. Valerian. Who knew the oil from these little pink blooms would make such an effective sleep inducer? Valerian may not have the same reputation as chamomile or lavender when it comes to promoting sleep, but it's actually been used to ease insomnia since the 17th century. Utilizing this oil can help you not only fall asleep faster but may actually improve the quality of your sleep. Deeper rest means a satisfying slumber that leaves you energized in the morning. Vanilla. The sweet scent of vanilla is appealing to many people, and it has a long history of use for relaxation and stress relief. Vanilla can have sedative effects on the body. It can reduce hyperactivity and restlessness, quiet the nervous system, and lower blood pressure. It also appears to help relieve anxiety and depression, with a combining both relaxation and an uplift in mood. If the smell of cookies baking relaxes and soothes you, vanilla might be a scent to try for sleep, without the calories. As you're using essential oils, pay attention to how you feel. Scent is a highly individual experience. Each of us react to smells differently. The right scents for your relaxation and sleep are the ones that make you feel relaxed and sleepy. Also, don't forget to download our free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.